MrCool DIY 12,000 BTU mini split. Your all-in-one comfort hack, no pros needed. The MrCool DIY 12,000 BTU 4th Gen mini split redefines comfort and convenience. Designed for year-round use, this ductless system offers reliable heating and cooling for spaces up to 500 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, and more. With an impressive 22 SEER rating, it's Energy Star certified to cut energy costs while delivering premium performance. The included DIYPro Cable and pre-charged Quick Connect line set make installation a breeze, no special tools or expertise required. Enjoy the luxury of professional-grade climate control without the hefty installation fees, and take control of your comfort like never before. This mini-split system is packed with features that set it apart. The Wi-Fi-enabled smart HVAC controller lets you adjust the temperature from anywhere using your smartphone or voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Its Follow Me function ensures personalized comfort by monitoring the temperature around the remote. Plus, with low ambient cooling down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for specialized spaces like server rooms and greenhouses. The system also features a low refrigerant alert to protect your investment and reduce maintenance costs over time. Built for durability and reliability, the MrCool DIY mini split is made with corrosion-resistant materials, perfect for coastal areas or high-humidity environments. Its auto restart feature picks up right where it left off after power outages, ensuring uninterrupted comfort. With ultra-quiet operation at just 23.5 decibels, this system works hard without disrupting your peace. Customers love its high build quality, which outlasts competitors and consistently delivers superior performance. It's the perfect combination of toughness and innovation. Affordability meets innovation with the MrCool DIY mini split. The quick installation process saves you hundreds in labor costs, while its energy-efficient design keeps monthly bills low. Maintenance is easy, thanks to built-in reminders for cleaning and replacing air filters. Whether you need heating during a chilly winter morning or cooling during a scorching summer day, this system adapts seamlessly to your needs, offering incredible value for the price. No wonder it's a customer favorite for both quality and convenience. With the MrCool DIY mini split, you're investing in more than just an air conditioner, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Say goodbye to clunky, inefficient units and hello to sleek, user-friendly technology that delivers unmatched comfort. Whether you're tackling the summer heat or cozying up during the winter, this system is your go-to solution. Easy to install, affordable to run, and packed with advanced features, the MrCool DIY isn't just a purchase, it's a game changer for your home. Take the leap into smarter, simpler climate control today.